too long. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long.
Hey guys, it's Allison. I recently did a redecorating or revamping of my desk, and I want to show you guys it because it looks completely different now. Like, I'm looking at it, I'm like so excited for you guys to see it. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. If you guys actually want to see my last desk tour, if you just want to see it, I don't know why you would, but if you want to see like the difference, then definitely click the card section. I'll have it linked there and you guys can watch it. So yeah, I'm super excited. I love just like changing my atmosphere, just like changing anything in my room. I get super excited. I love change from time to time, and I always spend a lot of time like at my desk editing videos, doing stuff for YouTube, doing schoolwork, and like if I just like want to like binge watch some shows and YouTube videos, I'll definitely chill at my desk. So with all that being said, I hope you guys are excited to see this video, and I think we can just jump into this desk tour, guys. Let's go. So this is my desk. As you can see, we got rid of the whiteboard there, and then we also got rid of like the post, which is we actually moved it here, and then we added these shelving, and then up here everything's pretty much the same as you can see. So we'll just go into it. But as you can see, I have more room over here. As you can see, I have like a lot of space. So I got that. So first off, this is my laptop. As you can see, it's just like an Asus laptop. I've had it for, I would say, a little over a year now. And I obviously am jamming to music. And then I have my mouse pad here, and then my mouse, it's wireless, and I just connect it with a USB. I got these both from Amazon. This pencil holder thing, honestly it's not even a pencil holder, it's just like a bunch of stuff. I think I got it from Meyer, but it just holds a bunch of pens because I'm always needing them. And then switching over here, this is this little container that I wrapped with a gold and white cord, and it just has a bunch of like prom tickets, not prom tickets, but just like dance tickets, some photo booth pictures, ticket, other stuff, a lot of stuff like that. And then over here is this whiteboard, and actually these are just like little post-it notes. If you guys saw my like how to get the year started right or something like that, I posted those, I used those post-its in the video, and they kind of just inspire me. And then I got that 18th birthday thing from my teacher to vote and stuff, so yeah. And then yeah, this whiteboard is just really great because I like to just like practice on them, write some stuff on there, so it's just really easy. And then moving up to the first shelf, I have these stack of books here. They're all hardcover. I kind of like the look of them. And then I have two sunglasses aviators, which you guys can see. These are my favorite because they're cobalt blue, but I'm kind of looking for new ones. I got this one from Kohl's. This one is from Charming Charlie's. And then I have this little clip thing, which I just set it there for some reason. And then over here to the right, I have my Bluetooth speaker. They're the brand JBL. And this Daisy Marc Jacobs Oh So Fresh box is just where I have a bunch of my jewelry. And I actually got it free with my perfume. And switching gears, over here to your left, I have this candle. It's from Party Light. I forgot the name. Where is it? Party Light. And it's the Peach Honey Citronella. So it's really big, but I like it. And then this is kind of like, I thought it was cool. I have all my pens here for bullet journaling. I have pens. These are all from Amazon, or these pens are from Amazon. This bullet journal is from Amazon. And then this is actually a gift. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. And then moving up here, I'll just show you guys a quick overview. Over here is this little picture frame I got from our family room downstairs, and I thought it was really cute. There's me and my sister, and then my sister. I thought it was super cute. We look like sailors. And then here is actually a reed diffuser refill, and it's like in this eucalyptus scent. I think it looks super cute and smells really great. And then here, this little wicker basket has a bunch of cords. This can never be like organized. Cords are just super hard to organize, so they're just like all just in there. And then over here, this thing is like a little lantern. It's actually like a wedding favor gift, but I thought it was super cute, and I put a LED light in there, so kind of looks like a candle. And this is my Michael Kors purse. I thought it was super cute to like display. It's just so structured and I just like it. So I have that chilling there. And then up all the way up here, it's pretty much the same as last video, but I just added these cool like I think paperweight design things that are for my 18th birthday. I have these Teen Vogue magazines and my iPad mini, and then this little collage thing I made, and then my dad made like the wood, and I just like stuck pictures from magazines on it. And then this, I think it's from Hobby Lobby, this like fake bouquet flower thing, so it's really pretty. And then these two things are from IKEA, and this just has magazines and other miscellaneous stuff, and then this is like school stuff. So that's that. So now kind of going down, this chair is actually from IKEA. I don't know if they sell it anymore, and also this desk is from IKEA. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I've got it for a long time ago. So this, and then this blanket is actually from Carson's, which is like the same thing as Macy's. I don't know if it's like just local. And then this little sliding thing, I just have it for extra space. And I have this planner thing. I think it's also from Amazon. I love Amazon. Not sponsored by them, but I always have a planner here. And then over here is actually, this is like my keys, and I have like this DePaul University lanyard because that's where I'm going to be going to school. So yes, go Blue Demons. Okay, and then in this little drawer I just have a bunch of stuff. So I have some earbuds here, my calculator, a to-do list, my iPad. In the back here I just have extra like stuff in here. It's honestly a lot. My what's this? Can't think of the name. External hard drive, some batteries for my mouse, an extra Apple charger, and then this little iPad stand, and then this plug-in thing. So lots of stuff. So that, and then all the way down here I just have some binders, a biology textbook, an extra notebook, 2 folders, and then another notebook, which I don't know if you guys can see, it's right here. Then I have my old charger for my laptop, and then all the way in the back, you guys can't see it, but it's my laptop, old laptop, and it's laptop case, and I just have it. I haven't thrown it out yet, so I don't know. Maybe someday. I'm not quite sure when. So that's that. And then next to my desk is just my trash can, nothing fancy. And also my desk, I moved it a little bit to the left, so there's a lot more space, but I'm just backing out so you guys can see the whole desk. I hope you guys like this video. I'm obsessed with my desk, and I think it's just so nice and so spacious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.